YouTube channel. It's your darling sister Pretty Favor TV. Yes, today in this video I will be showing you my unboxing eyeshadow. Yes, today is my unboxing eyeshadow day. I'm going to show you all my unboxing eyeshadow. Yes, my people, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, comment, like, press the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Also, thanks to my old subscriber all over the world. Thank you very much. I do appreciate your efforts. I appreciate you all for your support. Yes, today I will be teaching you all my unboxing eyeshadow. Unboxing eyeshadow. This is my eyeshadow, my unboxing eyeshadow. I can't wait to see it because I'm waiting for the right color. I guess it's my favorite color that is inside the unboxing eyeshadow. Yes, unboxing eyeshadow. Wow, look at it. The packet is really looking good. Look at it. Unboxing eyeshadow from Pompeii. Look at it. From Pompeii. Yes, let me still open it again so that you can see the amazing color that is inside. I just ordered it online from TH Gates. Wow, this will really look good. Again, look at it. I'm still unboxing it. It's time for me to unbox this one. Yes, wow. Guess what, guys? I guess it's really looking beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh. Look at the colors. Wow. The makeup is really looking good. Oh. It's so nice. Beautiful makeup. Beautiful makeup. Wow. This is my favorite. Look at them. Wow. Oh, guys, look at it. Let me put it very well so that you all can see it. Oh, look at it. Oh my goodness. I don't think you can see it the other way. Let me do it. Let me add it on the other hand of my side. Look at it. Wow, I love the colors. We have red, blue, green, gold, milk. The color is too much. Look at the blue. Oh my goodness. I love them. Look at the green. My goodness. Let me add to it. Look at the gold color. Look at it. I'm just applying it on my hands. On my hands so that you all can see it. Yes. This is the gold color. Wow. This is the dark gold. Dark gold color. I love it. Look at it. Look at the orange. Pink. Let me use the pink on my hand. I can't wait to use this. Orange color. I think it's good. My goodness. It's really looking, wow, it's really looking good. Let me put it again. I can't wait to use this. This is orange. Wow, this is my favorite color. Favorite colors. I just choose it. I know they are very nice from DH Gates. Oh, although their things is very cost, but trust me, you can really make a good perfect why you choose to buy something from them. Wow, the color are so beautiful. I really love them. I love them. Wallah, I love them. Look at this. This is green. Look at them green. Best color ever. Best color ever. Do you see it? Do you guys see it? Best color ever. Yes, I just decided to unbox it so that you all can see it. Wow. Just came this morning. I really love all the colors. I love them. I love all the colors. Green. Yellow. All right, my people. This is the pen I want to show you all today. How I unbox mine eyeshadow from DH Gates. Yes, please don't forget to hit the like button for me. Thanks everyone for watching. All right, have a nice and blessed day. Ciao.